Alright, you can see a nice canvas here. It's a piece of wood, actually a broken wood, so not the uniform part. It's like some rough texture here, and you can see some blue and white part here. So some blue part and the white part, those are the part of the mountains and the adjacent natural sceneries. We're going to do few details for the scenery and the natural scenery here, then the painting is going to be finished. So let's start from the middle point. Here you can see we are going to draw a outline for the water level and to the ground level, so that's the separation point. We can see here, and for the reflections of the mountain, just we can draw some other parts. It looks like the shades fallen here, so half of the mountains had the fallen shades on the other side. Okay, you can see shades on the other side. All right, also you can see the shades here. And for the last mountains you can see the other shades. Okay, few contour and ups and downs you can show on the bright part, but that's a little bit irregular. Okay, so that's showing the mountain landscapes. Okay, all right, and for the water you can just put little bit here. Okay, on the left side just putting the darker part. All right, so that's showing the reflections. Now you can make it a little bit realistic if you just add some green color for the trees and other parts. So that's why we are going to need the green color and going to pour it with other other brushes. So I'm just taking the color now. Okay, so the trees must be drawn at the bottom, but before that one, let's do the landscape at the bottom with the green colors. So there's the dark green defining the trees at the bottom of the mountains. Okay, and you can see some reflections on the water too. All right, so if you like to draw some tree on the side, just you can draw like this one, and the reflections will be like this one, subsequent reflections. Okay, then another tree you can just put it into higher directions. So a little bit pointy on the top, and bottom is the little bit wider. Okay, and also making the bottom of the mountain little darker for the green outlines. Drawing another tree here. Okay, just putting the branches like this one, making the top pointy and the bottom wider. You can see the reflections on the water too. All right, so there's the part you all need to know, and maybe we just put some greeneries on the water too to show the geological presence of phytoplankton or other water plants and herbs. Okay, All right, little details we can do on this tree too. Let's take more green and putting the details here. More green is going to be up here. All right, so that's the part of the scenery. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Finally, let's have a clear look of the painting. I'm just zooming out the frame and you can see I'm just moving my camera and seeing the picture. Looks really nice. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.